Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a Python program, and using it you guys can find the exact location of a phone number and its service provider name. So let's see how we can make this program using Python. So before we start, if you guys are new in my channel, then make sure you subscribe my channel, like this video and press the bell icon for future videos. So let's dive into our tutorial.
What just happened?
So open a PyCharm or any editor you use, then create a project. I have already created one. So now we are going to create a project file. So just right click on your project name, go to new and click on Python file. Now here we are going to type a Python file name. So just type main.py. So press enter. So for creating this project we need a package. So go to your terminal and just type pip install phone numbers. So press enter. So it will take a few seconds, so wait for it to come. So I have already installed the package, requirement already satisfied, so just minimize this. Now we go to our main file. Now here we are going to type, so we are going to import the package we have installed. So just type import, the package name is phone number, so just type phone numbers. Now we have imported the package which we have installed. So now we are going to create another Python file. So just right click new and click on Python file. This Python file name will be test.py, so just type test.py. Now in this test.py we are going to give the number which we are going to find the location. So just now we are going to give a variable. So type number is equals to double quotes. Don't forget to give your country code. So in this case my country code will be +91. Now type your number. Okay, for security reasons I can't show my number. So after typing your number, go to our main file. So in our main file we are going to import that number. So for doing that, just type from test import number. So from test file we are going to import the number variable. So we have imported that. So now what we are going to do is we are going to import a built-in package inside the phone numbers package which we have installed. So we are going to type the code. So from phone numbers we are going to import geocoder. So geocoder is a built-in package inside phone numbers. So we have imported that. So to track the location we are going to give here a variable name that will be ch underscore numbers is equals to, we are going to type phone number which is a package we have installed dot praise PARSE. Inside this bracket we are going to give two things. The first one will be the number, so let's type number and put comma, and the another one will be ch in capital letters. What does this ch means? C stands for country and h stands for history. So we have typed in ch. Now we are going to print the function. So just type print geocoder dot, we are going to, I'm going to type description for numbers. So just type description for numbers. Inside that bracket we are also going to give two things, and the first thing will be the variable name which is ch underscore number, and the second one will be the language which is English. So let's run and see if this program works. So just right click and click on run. Yeah, it shows India. So I have given an Indian number, so it shows India. So our code works perfectly. So now we are going to find the service provider name for this number. To find the service provider name, we are going to import another built-in function inside phone numbers. So just we are going to type from the built-in package phone numbers, we are going to import carrier. Usually carrier finds the service provider name of a number. So we are going to give a variable. The variable name will be service number. And inside that variable we are going to call our function phone number dot phrase Inside that bracket we are going to give two things. The first one will be the number as same as that, and the second one will be RO in capital. So to find the service provider we are going to print this function. So just type print carrier dot name for number. Inside the bracket we are going to give the variable name, that is service provider, and the language will be English. So this is our code. We'll just run it. Yeah, so if you see, it shows idea. So for more video like this, make sure you subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell, so you'll receive the notification whenever I upload a video. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video.